Welcome back to the channel. My name is Adil and today's video is all about an upgrade of heated seats on this brand new Mazda 2. So this is a very common occurrence for us and we probably don't film as much or post enough content on this as much as we do. But this is a main dealer, as you can see by all the pre-PDI stickers. This vehicle hasn't hit the road yet. However, main dealers across the Cambridgeshire area are trusting ourselves with the upgrades on their vehicles. This client was after adding on heated seats onto a car that didn't have it. So not a problem. It's coming to our team, all being carried out, professionally installed. And also this is why manufacturers and why main dealers are trusting ourselves with these sorts of vehicles, because they are a brand new vehicle. It's very important that the work is done to an incredibly high standard. So what we've actually done is actually remove the original seat from the car. These are still using the original seats. The seats gets removed and placed to the side. This then goes onto a bench, and what we actually do to that seat is then take off the upholstery work, whether that be leather or cloth, remove that actual material from the actual seats itself, and then what we do is we lay a carbon pad on the base and on the back of the seat, wire that into a rocker switch that goes onto the sides of the seat to have a low setting, a high setting and an off setting, so you have full control and easy access to those. But then what it actually does is it allows you to have that heated element onto those seats, and it works so seamlessly. Also, these systems are only ignition control, so there's no drain on your vehicle's battery, so you can ensure that everything is going to work perfectly fine for you and your vehicle. And that is again why main dealers trust us day in, day out. It's a majority of our work is from main dealerships recommending us or having work done pre-PDI like this. The heated seat elements gets wired into an ignition feed in the vehicle, into the fuse box. So everything is neat, tidy and safe when you collect your vehicle, which is a very important thing when upgrading a vehicle. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you also are interested in getting booked in with ourselves, head over to our website, grab a quote. It's all automatic and instant. It's very easy to do. Head over, pop all your details on the quote form. Instantly you'll get sent back a quote, and then feel free to just give us a call if you're happy with pricing and if you're happy with everything that we're going to do. Give me a call and we'll get you booked in with our team in our facility here in Cambridge. So thank you once again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.